Hi students, good morning all of you. Okay, today last class in bridge course junior enter. Tomorrow I will start lessons, atomic structure lesson. Now okay, happy? Okay, successfully today I will finish lesson bridge course chemistry. Okay, last class today in bridge course organic chemistry, nomenclature of benzene substituted compounds. Benzene formula, benzene structure like that. They are benzene or like that. Okay, benzene. So these are benzene. Benzene formula C6H6. Actually, benzene structure like that. C bond like that. Benzene lesson separate is there. After that I will explain. Here hydrogen, here hydrogen, here hydrogen, here hydrogen, here hydrogen, here hydrogen. Okay. Simply we are writing like that. So here anyone correct? Or simply bonds, alternate double bonds required. Benzene is a aromatic compound. The aromatic compound means next I will explain in lesson. Now no need. Okay, now today I am explaining nomenclature of benzene substituted compounds. Benzene substituted compound. Here benzene contain three positions. Ortho, meta, para positions. Benzene containing three positions. Generally, suppose here benzene is there. Here benzene is there. Here, suppose. So these are ortho. Suppose. Here positions is there. These are ortho. These are meta. These are para. Or simply. Okay, consider. Here also ortho, meta, para like that. Here also ortho, meta, para like that. So now I am taking benzene contain OH group, that is known as phenol. Benzene, there are IUPAC names. Benzene contain OH group, that is known as phenol, general name. Actually these are phenol. In all benzene substituted compound, benzene is suffix. All benzene substituted compound, benzene is a suffix. Suffix is, so benzene suffix. In all benzene substituted compound, benzene is a suffix property. Phenol. And another one is these are actually amino benzene. Common name is aniline. Phenol general name. So phenol, another name is phenol. Sorry. Aniline. Okay. Next another one is benzene contain methyl group. That is known as methyl benzene. So methyl benzene or common name is, another name is toluene. All benzene substituted compounds, benzene is a suffix. So toluene. Okay, next another. Here methoxybenzene. That name is anisole. ANISOLE, anisole. Methoxybenzene are called anisole, common name. Anisole. Next another. Benzene carboxylic acid. Benzene carboxylic acid or another name is simply benzoic acid. Another name is benzoic acid. benzoic acid. Benzene carboxylic acid nowadays they are called as benzoic acid. And another benzene carbaldehyde. Benzene carbaldehyde. Benzene carbaldehyde another name is benzaldehyde. Benzene carbaldehyde another name is benzaldehyde. Benzene carbaldehyde another name is benzaldehyde. Benzene carbaldehyde or benzaldehyde. And another your name is benzene carboxamide. Benzene carboxamide or a simple name is benzamide. Benzamide. Another name is benzamide. Benzamide. Okay, so these are some special names of benzene and its compounds. And another one is phenol completed. Next. Here is there nitrobenzene. Here nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene. Here also phenyl group, here also methyl group. Here one oxygen group is there. This name is methyl first. Methyl phenyl ether. Methyl phenyl ether actually main name is, this name is, sorry. Methyl first. Methyl phenyl ketone. Methyl phenyl ketone modern name is acetophenone. Acetophenone. Simple name methyl phenyl ketone. So these are different types of benzene substituted compound. In all benzene substituted compound, benzene is a suffix. Next one, another name is benzene contain 3 positions. Ortho, meta, para positions. Suppose I am taking here. Here is there. Name. Here OH is there. OH means phenol. That is considered phenol. Here chlorine is there. Here numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. So simply 3, 4 dichlorophenol. 3, 4 dichlorophenol. Next another. Here 1, here 2. Simply 2-chloro methyl benzene. 2-chloro methyl benzene. Generally these are considered as simple. Another name is, now modern name is 2-chlorotoluene. 2-chlorotoluene. T-O-L-U-N-E. 2-chlorotoluene. Toluene means methyl benzene. Toluene also correct. Generally, methyl benzene nowadays considered as a toluene. Toluene is a modern name. So, 2-chloromethyl benzene correct to 2-chlorotoluene. Benzene contain 2 methyl group, that is known as xylene. Benzene contain 2 methyl groups, that is known as xylene. These are fixed. These are ortho, meta, para position. position. General name. Here benzene is there. Benzene. These are considered as a ortho. These are considered as a meta. They are considered as a para positions. Para position. Like that here also ortho, meta, para. Here fixed. So these are compulsory fixed point. Okay. So these are generally named as orthoxylene, orthoxylene, or oxylene. These are common name. So these are common name. Actual IUPAC name is 1,2 dimethyl, 1,2 dimethyl benzene. Or okay, here 1 or 2, 2-methyl toluene also correct. Generally IUPAC's name is 1,2 dimethyl benzene, 1,2 dimethyl benzene, orthoxylene. And another these are metaxylene. Why metaxylene? They are fixed. Orthometaxylene or simply amoxylene. Common name. It is a common name. But IUPAC name is here 1, here 2, 3, 1,3 dimethyl benzene, 1,3 dimethyl benzene, 1,3 dimethyl benzene, 1,3 dimethyl benzene, that is 1,3 dimethyl benzene, metaxylene. Next up, here 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually these are paraxylene, paraxylene or pixylene, paraxylene. So these are common name. So these are common name. But IUPAC name is, so IUPAC name is simply 1,4 dimethyl benzene, 1,4 dimethyl benzene, 1,4 dimethyl benzene, 1,4 dimethyl benzene. Anyway, xylene means benzene contain 2 methyl groups. Benzene having 2 methyl groups, that compounds are known as xylene. Orthoxylene, metaxylene, paraxylene. So these are different types of position numbering. In isomerism concept now no need. So orthoxylene, metaxylene, paraxylene, these are different types of benzene compounds. Xylene means benzene contain 2 methyl groups. Benzene contain 2 methyl groups, xylene. Next up, benzene contain 1 OH group, 1 methyl group, that is known as cresol. That is known as cresol. These are which cresol? Orthocresol or O-cresol. Orthocresol. These are common name. So these are common name. These are common name. But IUPAC name is, these are without, these are phenol. Phenol. Here these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means simply 2-methylphenol. 2-methylphenol, that is IUPAC name. Orthocresol, O-cresol common name. Orthocresol. Cresol means benzene containing 1 OH group and methyl group. Benzene contain OH group and methyl group, that is known as cresol, orthocresol or 2-methylcresol. 2-methylphenol. 2-methylphenol are known as generally IUPAC name of orthocresol. Next another one is generally metacresol. Metacresol within bracket is generally M-cresol. So these are common name. But IUPAC name is, so IUPAC name is 2-methylphenol. 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 Sorry, one. Here 1, 2, 3, 3-methyl. 3-methyl phenol. 3-methyl phenol is the IUPAC name of metacresol. We know these are ortho, meta, para, like that. Last one is here OH, here CH3. That is known as para. So paracresol. Paracresol means so P cresol, paracresol, P cresol. So these are common name. IUPAC name is here IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4-methyl. 4-methyl phenol. 4-methyl phenol. Anyway, benzene contain 3 positions: ortho, meta, para position. Benzene containing 1 methyl group, 1 OH group. That is named as so cresol. Orthocresol, metacresol, and paracresol. Okay. Next another one is here OH, here OH. Benzene contain 2 OH groups. OH means whole. Because here, based on the position, names also different. Based on the position, names also different. These are ortho. So these are ortho compound. So these are meta. So these are para compound. Generally, this name is catechol. These are resorcinol. These are quinol. Depends on position. Benzene contain 2 OH groups. Depends on OH positions. Ortho, meta, para. Benzene contain 2 OH groups. Ortho position catechol. Meta position resorcinol. Para position quinol. These are fixed. So these are fixed positions. So these are ortho, meta, para. Benzene contain 2 OH group catechol. IUPAC name is. So these are common names. My dear students, these are common names. IUPAC name is benzene 1,2 diol. Here IUPAC name is benzene 1,3 diol. Here IUPAC name is benzene 1,4 diol. So these are benzene 1,2 diol, catechol, ortho compound. Benzene 1,3 diol, resorcinol, meta compound. Benzene 1,4 diol. So these are para compound. Anyway, catechol, resorcinol, and quinol. So these are ortho, meta, para compound. So these are different types of some examples of benzene and its derivatives. Okay. So write down these are all points. Ortho compound, meta compound, and para compound. So these are different types of in a bridge course in organic chemistry. Now I will give some examples. Depends on positions, one position, one name. Ortho compound catechol, meta compound resorcinol, para compound quinol. Ortho compound, meta compound, and para compound. Next. Here OH functional group, NO2 prefix. Here numbering. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Simply 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. Trinitrophenol IUPAC name. These are IUPAC name. IUPAC name. Common name is picric acid. Common name is picric acid. 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. Same another one is like that. CH3, here NO2, here NO2, here NO2. Nitro, NO2 means prefix to here methyl benzene. Here name is simple name 2, 4, 6 trinitrotoluene. Trinitrotoluene, they are IUPAC name. So these are IUPAC name and a common name TNT. TNT full form trinitrotoluene. Trinitromethylbenzene, sorry. Trinitromethylbenzene. Trinitromethylbenzene. Simply trinitromethylbenzene means toluene. Trinitromethylbenzene. Trinitromethylbenzene simply toluene. So okay, generally these are trinitrotoluene. Trinitrotoluene, these are common name. TNT. Trinitrotoluene. Trinitrotoluene, these are common name also considered. Anyway, picric acid, IUPAC name is 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol, picric acid. So these are benzene derivatives. Their name, their benzaldehyde. Here numbering compulsory, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Simple name, chloro first, ethyl next. But numbering in this direction last. Simple name, 3 chloro, 2 ethyl, benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. 3 chloro, 2 ethyl. C first, E next. So simple name, 3 chloro, 2 ethyl, benzaldehyde. And another. Suppose here is the benzene. It means phenyl. One bond breaking. Phenyl formula CH5. Here functional group importance, but these are considered as a substituent. Numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6 phenyl. 6 phenyl hexanol. Hexanol. Hex means how many? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth carbon contain phenyl group. That is a phenyl. Benzene means CH6. One bond breaking means here. Sixth carbon numbering in this direction. Functional group. 6 phenyl. 6 phenyl hexanol. 6 phenyl hexanol. 6 phenyl hexanol, that name. And another. Here is there, here actual nitrobenzene, here 1, here 2. Main these are nitrobenzene. Or simply like that, here also correct. One, two. Simply 2 chloro nitrobenzene. 2 chloro nitrobenzene. 2 chloro nitrobenzene. 2 chloro nitrobenzene. 2 chloro nitrobenzene, IUPAC name of this compound. Next another. Simply we know orthodichlorobenzene. Orthodichlorobenzene. Orthodichlorobenzene, common name, IUPAC name is. So 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. 1, 2 dichlorobenzene, it is a IUPAC name, here common name. Here common name. Common name. Like that, 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. 1, 2 dichlorobenzene, orthodichlorobenzene. Like that, another. Here meta-dichlorobenzene. Meta-dichlorobenzene. Here meta-dichlorobenzene, another name is 1, 3 dichloro. 1, 3 dichlorobenzene. Common name. 1, 3 dichlorobenzene. 1, 3 dichlorobenzene. And the last one is para-dichlorobenzene. Para-dichlorobenzene. And another is, so 1, 4 dichlorobenzene. 1, 4 dichlorobenzene. These are IUPAC name. So these are IUPAC name. Anyway, ortho, meta, para. So benzene, 1, 2 dichlorobenzene, 1, 3 dichlorobenzene, 1, 4 dichlorobenzene. So these are different types of benzene and its compounds. Benzene and its compound. Okay, students. Here in organic chemistry, bridge course, benzene and compounds. So up to here, till how many concepts I explained? How many concepts I explained? Once thoroughly revise, 1 or 2 days. After that, tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will start a lesson. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will start lesson. Okay, please thoroughly revise all subjects. Okay, students. Okay, all completed in bridge course. So don't leave the any sentence, any point. So thoroughly prepare. After that I will start your organic chemistry bridge course. So successfully in junior enter bridge course completed. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will start a lesson. So atomic structure. So maintain all of you up to till how much concept completed. So after one or two pages leave it. After that I will start the you are all members start the lessons. So thoroughly revise. So after 10 or 15 days I will conduct another exam also. Okay, my dear students, up to here enough. So bridge course successfully completed. Organic chemistry rules are all rules completed. Remaining concept in class I will explain. In bridge course up to this day enough. So next class I will start the lesson atomic structure. Okay, my dear students, successfully bridge course completed. Okay, thank you for all.